His first 100 days. Weijia Jiang has a story of two businesses that have been affected in a big way.
Under massive American flags, workers at Marlin Steel in Baltimore weld, manufacture, and ship all American steel products.
Everything is made in USA here.
100% made in the USA. We're only using American steel.
A point of pride for owner Drew Greenblatt has turned into a huge selling point, thanks in part to President Trump's tariff policy.
We're hiring talent. We're buying equipment. This is real.
So you're placing a big bet that President Trump's tariffs are going to work.
This is no bet. This is a layup.
The United States has lost nearly 7 million manufacturing jobs since hitting a peak in 1979, a 35% decline.
So what else you got cooking here?
Greenblatt hopes fairer trade deals will help bring some of that business back to America, even if it takes time.
Is it worth it in the long run?
This is an opportunity for a huge path of people to get into the middle class. This is an exciting time.
That optimism echoed Trump's own when he announced high tariff rates on a majority of countries earlier this month.
This will be indeed the golden age of America. It's coming back.
But soon after, the White House pressed pause until July in order to hammer out individual trade deals. A 10% baseline tariff remains on most countries and 25% on things like steel, aluminum, and imported cars, and an eye-popping 145% on Chinese goods.
That's fine, everything okay.
The tariffs are already showing up in the form of higher prices at Oasis Fresh Foods Market in southern Maryland.
We have starting to see some prices go up, particularly on fresh fruit.
Mark and Marlin Steel opened this grocery store just 6 months ago in what used to be a food desert. Their customers now depend on them for access to fresh food.
We're the front line of it. The margins are thin, and the only place to go is towards the customer.
The Steels are doing what they can to keep prices down, including cutting staffing and not stocking pricier produce. But they worry it might not be enough.
I thought, oh, we're opening at the right time. Inflation's coming down. People will be able to afford this. Now I'm just anxious.
Well, in the past 100 days, we have spoken to Americans across the country about the economy, everyone from farmers to consumers to small business owners, and almost everybody agrees that their top concern is the uncertainty about what comes next with tariffs. Today, Trump is planning to travel to Michigan, where he will announce some relief on the impact of tariffs for Americans.